Hi, it's Jill from Close to My Heart, and I'm here today to walk you through the Yesterday and Today workshop from Close to My Heart. This collection of papers is so beautiful for your heritage photos. We're going to walk through all the papers. I'm going to show you everything we're going to create, and then there'll be 3 different videos that you can watch making each of these 2-page layouts. So we'll make 3 different layouts, each come together in their own video that you can watch, and it's all using what comes in this workshop kit. So with Close to My Heart, you can always order paper collections and make whatever you want from those collections, and then we also create a workshop, so you don't have to do any of the work of figuring out what the layouts will look like. You can just simply follow along. We've given you all of the cutting instructions, which are very minimal, and then the also really cool thing about these workshops is that you get a lot of exclusive product in here that you can't get in the collection itself, including die cuts and some embellishment things as well. So it's a lot of fun to put together the workshops as an option for you in making your scrapbooks. So in the collection you have photo placeholders, so these are just to put on the layouts if you don't have photos at the current time. Otherwise you can save these and use your photos. We've got some nice little pearls which really add a soft touch to this heritage collection, and then we've got these awesome wood shapes. So many wood details, and we're going to do some really cool techniques with these as we go throughout the videos, so stay tuned for that. Then you have the entire Yesterday and Today collection. So you have the full sticker sheet, which I love because you've got all of these different stickers and sizes of titles, you've got borders, you've got all these labels and things that actually look like metal pieces, really fun details in the sticker sheet. Then you've got these beautiful papers that really do give that heritage feel. So you've got old notebook paper, you've got stamps, and just a really eclectic mix, but all in really subtle tones that work so well with the black and white and sepia tone photos. You've got this beautiful paper, again, so much pattern and texture going on within the papers themselves that really give it that aged and antique look. And the last paper is this beautiful fleur de lis, and on the back side a nice grid. So you've got, again, the distressed edges and a lot of things that really make it just feel a little aged and really classic. And then you've got all these cardstocks you're going to work with. So you've got browns, gray, linen, and French vanilla. Then you have the project die cuts. So we're going to go through and make a lot of the details on these layouts through the die cuts themselves. You also get in every workshop the sheet protectors so that when you're done, they can go right into your album and you're ready to get started. So we're going to jump into project number 1. I'm going to cut down my papers, punch out all the die cuts that I need, and we'll get started.